Now this is one of the strength exercises, and this is the glute bridge. And there are two main ways you can do this. Either you can do it on something like a cushion chair sofa, but a chair that has enough space to allow for your head and neck to rest. If not, it's not going to work. So you need something that's quite large. A sofa would work best, or you can also do it on the floor. I'm going to show you first the variation with a sofa or a bench. So basically you're going to be in this position. You're going to lay your back, the thoracic spine or the upper back, onto the edge of the bench. And what you're going to do is you're going to allow your hips to drop close to the floor like this. This is your starting position. And then what you're going to do from here is you're going to push your hips up like this. You're going to push your hips up to the sky. You're going to drop them. You're going to push the hips up and you're going to drop them. And when you push your hips up, you want to think of rounding the pelvis like this, locking it, not having this relaxed position. You want to be you want to do a line with your knees and your hips. They want to be at the same level. That's the top position, and this is the bottom position. You can make the range of motion larger by dropping all the way down and trying to push up as high as possible, or you can reduce the range of motion and only go all the way down here and then push up like this. The most important thing is that you're not in pain or overexerting yourself. Now the other variation, the other way to do this, if you don't want to do it here on the chair, you can also do it on the floor. And it's the same exact principle. Maybe you want to have a mat, like a yoga mat or a soft cushioned surface, and it's the same exact thing. You're going to push up. Same thing. Now here, your hips aren't going to be in level with your knee, but you always want to make a straight line, not like this, but make a whole line with the hips and the low back. Personally, I prefer doing it on the bench, as you can have more range of motion when you drop down, but you also do what you feel more comfortable with. And there are also two things to keep in notice. You can have your legs closer to your hips, or you can have them further away, such as this. The further away you have it from your body, the harder the exercise will be. So here would be hardest, here would be slightly easier. If you can do around 20 reps without feeling much muscle damage or work, then you can do it on one leg like this, with one leg bent or with the leg straight. And then to synchronize the movement with the breathing, as you come down, inhale, and as you come up, exhale. Come down, inhale, and exhale.